Hey first graders, this is Mr. Fries, and today we're going to do a math problem with Scoop, and it's starring her stuffed animal monkey. Please read carefully for important information. Yesterday, I saw 11 monkeys in a tree. Then, 3 monkeys joined them in the tree. How many monkeys were in the tree then? Let's see what Scoop thinks. Actually, let's see what Monkey thinks. Monkey says, since there were more monkeys, it sounds like it's an addition sentence. And Monkey goes bananas for RDW. So, read the problem, draw a picture, write some number sentences, and please ask your teacher to press pause. Okay, I'm going to start out by drawing a picture, and I'm going to call my picture T for tree, and there were 11 monkeys in it. So I'm going to make a 5-row group. So I draw 5 in a row, and then I leave a space and draw 5 more. And that gets me 10 monkeys, but I really wanted 11 monkeys. So I'm going to draw 1 more below him. So that gets me my 11 monkeys that were in my tree. Since more monkeys join them, that means I'm going to have more. Well, more in math means addition. So I'm going to add 3 more monkeys. So I'm going to do this to my picture. And I'm going to color them in so I know they're a little different than the other monkeys. Well, now I have a pretty easy math problem ahead of me, a pretty easy number sentence, because I could just count. I know I see 10 in my group, and then I have 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 monkeys. I could also decompose my 10. We've been making 10 so much, we can also break 10 apart. 11 is made up of 10 and a 1. So I'm changing my number sentence to be 10 plus 4 equals 14. And again, we want to say 14 what? Well, in this case, we're talking about monkeys. So I need to add what the problem is about. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S. 14 monkeys. We could do this using our number path or our number line and figuring out I start at 11 and then I've got to go 1, 2, 3 spaces to get up to 14. There are many different ways you can do this math problem. We could use a tool like a Reck and Rec to help us count on. In my Reck and Rec, I'm going to make 11 by moving over all 10 in my first row. Remember, I always start with my red ones pushed all the way over. I'm going to move all 10 over. And then I'm going to move 1 more over, so now I have 11, and now I need to count on 3 more. So I'm going to grab and count. 1, 2, 3. And now I can look at my Reck and Rec and see I have 10 on top, 4 on the bottom, another way for us to get 14. Pretty easy problem today. So our science fact of the day is about the Earth. The Earth doesn't stay still. It's constantly spinning, and this spinning is what makes it night and day out. You can see in our picture here, half of the Earth is in sun and half the Earth is in darkness at any time. If the world didn't spin, the side near the sun would be scorched desert, and the side in the dark would be completely frozen. So it's a good thing our Earth spins. In fact, the moon is slowing the Earth down very, very slightly every year by 1.5 milliseconds. So, good stuff. Have a great day, first graders.